Hey y'all, sorry I'm running late.
That's fine. Me too. I'm kind of distracted and need to get trying
Hello,
to find the
guys.
old. I'm trying to find the old Zoom link so I can log in on my other computer in case people show up. But now that I've updated everything, I can't find that link. So, trying to make sure the recording and everything is going. It's not obvious. The old one would tell you. Oh yeah, we did the recording.
Yeah, there is like a red icon on the top,
Yeah. The old one would tell us
blinking.
it was also streaming, but it doesn't live stream anymore. So it just uploads at the end, which is really actually kind of
Oh,
annoying.
okay, okay.
But yeah, I think if as long as it's recording, it should be all set.
Yeah,
Okay. If you guys want to get started, go ahead. I'm just trying to make sure the other room doesn't have anybody waiting in it.
good.
I have to go into our git
Remember,
history or something.
remember to sign in into the doc. There is no new faces here, so we can move forward to. Just 1 second. Let me share the screen here. Good. So let's check the open RFCs. Let's see, open up here. There is no RFCs that need stored. Ready for review. Looks like there is nothing ready for review here in the specs. And then on voting, I think there is one. Yeah, we have this one rebase build contributed layers, which is in voting state, I believe since last week. Yep, but there is no thumbs up or thumbs down. So I think we will need to keep it for another week, just trying to get feedback
Yeah, I
on
think
this one.
this. Yeah, I wish Jesse. I'll talk to Jesse about it. I think he like left this, came back to it, and that's why. Like, I think I had actually voted on it once, and then
This one?
yeah, maybe not. What's the last update? Because there was like a pause on it 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I think he called back for voting like 2 weeks ago or something. All right. Well, I'll take a look at it. Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, awesome. And so I wanted to talk about an RFC I've got out there. I think it's ready to be moved to
Okay.
voting. This Um, one, the yes. um, the artifact, Yep.
So I don't know
Okay,
if we're
let's
we're
check
waiting
that
on
one.
anything else. Joe, you're kind of my steward in this
Oh, that's
project.
right. Yeah, I like my recollection was that we were waiting to sort the things out on the artifact hub side. So if that's done, I was just basically waiting for that to like
Yeah, yeah. I
get those
think
finished.
I think we're at a point where like
Perfect.
I don't think there's any unanswered questions.
Yeah, yeah.
I
No,
think
yeah,
it's
I'll follow up on it then and get this moved
Okay,
through.
yeah,
awesome.
cool.
Okay, that's good. Uh, okay, any updates on the graduation, Joe?
Yeah, a whole bunch of updates. I mean, we're under review. We're getting comments from the TOC, and Terrence and I have been addressing them. Mostly, they're just asking for clarification on things. I don't think there's many significant changes that have been requested thus far. Uh,
Yeah,
the
I
and then
think
the adopter interviews have started, so they've already done a few of them, and some more scheduled. Yeah,
okay, yeah, I think is are this one, right? I remember you create this CNCF.
yeah. There's some
Uh,
issues here. Like I said, most of these are really small, and if anybody wants to tackle them, that'd be great. I think Terrence
okay,
already picked up one or two. I'm actually
okay,
dealing with the comments in the review doc. So like there was a like for example, there was a request to clarify how we address the cloud native security tenants, and there's like 8 of them. So I wrote a paragraph for each tenant and that kind of thing. But that's all in
okay,
the doc. I haven't been addressing the ones on the repo as much.
okay, okay, got it.
But yeah, if anybody
And
wants to pick these up, that'd be great.
the doc is this one?
I believe that's the right one. No, this looks like an older one.
No.
Yeah, this is something else. I
Okay,
can
could you put it?
find the
Yeah,
link. Yeah,
yeah,
it's on
yeah.
my other computer.
Awesome. If you put it here. Good.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, from my side, the update I have is last week I released a candidate version of 040 Unpack, which is including the execution environment feature. Uh, so I'm just waiting for some feedback if someone's just test it out or whatever. I will try to do it again. I did it on my local, but I will do it. If everything is fine, probably I will be releasing that version tomorrow or maybe next Monday. Um, the other thing I have regarding the 040 is because I was trying to include Unpack, um, there is like one one feature that we released on API platform 014, which is like sending I believe it's the run image, the run toml into the restorer. And I have some issues when I did that and then trying to test it. I believe it's this PR. I had an issue with my acceptance test. I create an issue on life cycle, I believe. Um, which I think is this one. Yeah, I create this one. I was expecting to ask Jesse about it. And the problem I'm having is like uh, when you have some mirrors on the run image, and for example, in the acceptance test, the test is actually like putting something that it's on purpose unavailable on Docker Hub to force this 04, 041 error. And then we try to find and use the mirror and it works. But on the life cycle right now, I'm not getting the same behavior. It's like it's trying to pull the run image here, and then because it can access that image because it's unavailable, it's not using the ones that are on the mirrors. So I'm actually not sure. I believe it's a bug, and that's the reason I put it here, and I didn't include the feature Unpack 040. So yeah, that's the only thing I had when I was trying to complete 040 and compliance with 014 API. Apart from that, I hope that we can release this 040 early next week, probably, or probably tomorrow. I will try to do it. I will put this thing here just to mention the issue. So Jesse, I will try to point out Jesse with this. Okay, the next item here on the agenda is KubeCon India to
Yeah,
2026.
that's mine. So before I get into that, I think we're all set for KubeCon EU. We have the maintainer track talk and the booth and all that stuff. So I'm starting to look at KubeCon India. The deadline for the maintainer track and lightning talk stuff is March 1st. I think I might go, but I'm
okay.
not sure yet. But I have other folks in India that can present lightning talks and maintainer track talks on our behalf.
Nice.
So
Good.
and I'll also run the booth. And I assume Ram will be there, but I'll check with
Okay.
him. But in any case, I just wanted to bring it up and you know for anybody that might be interested. And I'm guessing the two of you aren't, but if you are, let me know. And then I guess anybody in the community too. So in any case, yeah, it's the deadline's March 1st, which is before KubeCon EU. So I wanted to make sure I had it in my mind so I don't forget about it, like I did with a lot of the KubeCon Europe stuff when KubeCon North America was going on. So.
Okay, good.
Yep. But yeah, I think my plan is for us to have a pretty decent presence there. We have people there, so might as well.
Okay, that will be awesome. Yeah. Good. Yeah, that's pretty much what we have in the agenda. I don't know if anybody have something else that want to talk about.
Not from my end, and I can use the time back to go deal with those RFCs.
Awesome.
Cool.
Me too. Cool.
Thanks,
All right.
y'all.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Take it
Bye-bye,
easy.
guys.